be loud. All right. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Brooklyn Therese, and I'm back at it again with another video with my girl,
Wizard Kelly. What it do?
So today we're doing the best friend, how well does she know me, how well do I know her video. I look like I'm
really?
crying.
We doing? Okay. Come on. Let's go.
Alright, so basically I'm gonna ask her a question and then she's gonna see if she can guess mine. And I'm gonna see if I can guess hers.
I'm gonna get a notebook so we can keep score.
If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are coming back, welcome back. First,
Charlie, let's go.
the first question is, what is my full name?
Brooklyn Therese Johnson.
Charlene.
You about to get that wrong.
Charlene Deshay LeBlanc. Period. I was about to say Charlie.
What city was I born in?
You wasn't born here?
I don't know, was I?
Baton Rouge.
Thank you!
I thought it was a trick question. Okay, what city was I born in?
Crowley!
Okay, you ain't know that.
The rice capital of the world.
Period. What food do I hate?
It's like out of vegetables and anything green, which is mostly vegetables. So
I don't like vegetables. Hey, now I gotta think. Oh.
This should be easy.
Oh, meat.
But I don't like
Chicken tenders from Cane's.
Yeah, I don't like chicken.
What
I was gonna say pork.
Okay, pork.
But pork like trumps it all.
Yeah,
but I guess
really
you can say meat because I don't eat a lot of. I'll give you that one.
Meat.
Right now, 3-3. Do we have any inside jokes?
Lot. That's an agreement question. We both know the answer.
What the question you think of? I'm in my bag.
I'm in my bag. Y'all, he was in his bag. Who is my favorite music artist?
Kevin Gates.
Period. Her favorite music artist is... I feel like you have a bunch. I don't know if you have just one. But I'm going to go with
final answer.
Jhené Aiko for the final answer.
Wrong. I actually don't have any favorite artists. Like, I like a wide variety, but none of them are my favorite. Well, Charlee 5, Brooklyn 4. May or may not know the answer to this.
You may or may not know mine. You may or may not know mine.
Okay, you're right. What is my greatest fear?
I'm gonna go with... I don't really know. Death? Look.
Yes, that is You didn't know that? You guessed it.
I guessed it.
So, what is your biggest fear? I don't know. You don't have one. Yeah, I don't know.
You think I'm fearless?
Might be.
Period. No, I'm afraid of dying by an animal. If that makes sense. Like, I don't want to die and an animal be the reason.
You don't want to get eaten by a bear?
A coyote attack me, or a snake strangle me, or something off the wall. An alligator eat my leg. Like, what day is our anniversary?
It's in June.
My answer is June 11th.
Mine is June 2nd. Yes.
Okay, what's the date?
June 6th.
June
wrong.
6th. We knew it was in June.
Yeah, we knew it was in June.
It just passed.
We're still at 5-5.
What kind of sub do I order at Subway?
Just meat and cheese. That's what kind. It's probably
And
like
what else?
mayonnaise.
Period.
And she only get a 6-inch. That's all she get. A 6-inch of meat, cheese, and mayonnaise.
Period. I don't like nothing else.
What kind of sandwich you? I get it.
I know you get a sandwich, a 12-inch, so you can say the rest for later, with straight vegetables. I know she put maybe some olive oil, some vinaigrette, some vegetables, y'all. No meat. 0 meat.
What is my favorite snack?
Your favorite snack is? I really don't know. I'm gonna say fruit. What is it?
For the most part. My favorite snack is white cheddar cheeses. You know I'll be
I
smashing
knew
them.
that. I knew that. Okay, what's my favorite snack?
Fucking turtle with milk.
Who do I miss most?
Your grandmother.
Period.
Who do I miss most?
I'm gonna either say your grandmother or
I need you to complete your answer.
Are you crying? You okay? Have y'all been talking and I don't know about it?
But both your answers are right, so I mean, I'll give you a point.
She wasn't ready for that.
I wasn't ready for that.
that.
What is usual breakfast?
Okay, if she got money, it's Chick-fil-A. When we broke, nothing.
Your usual breakfast? If you got milk cereal.
Period.
Or those nasty corn dog things.
On the stick.
Or if you make groceries, nothing. So,
what is my Waffle House order?
Your Waffle House order is bacon with scrambled eggs.
How many?
3.
Mm-hmm. That's me.
With grits.
and what do I always get sometimes?
Well, I always get sometimes.
Oh, wow.
Waffle.
All right.
All
right, hold on. Let me see if I'm going to get it right. Complex.
Order.
You like double hash browns with tomatoes and onions with a bowl of grits with raw tomatoes on top and 3 eggs over medium.
That was good. It's 10 to 9. 10 to 9.
Who got 9?
You.
Oh, I just scored a point.
I'm gonna answer this. I'm gonna ask this even though. Do I have a birthmark?
Yes.
That's my answer?
Yep.
Yeah, I did. I have 2. Actually.
I didn't know.
I have 2.
Because I was bluffing. I'm like,
Do you have a birthmark? No. That's right.
it's a good one. Good job.
That's right.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay, that was both of us a
like...
point. Yeah. Have I ever been in a car accident?
No. That's my answer.
Wrong.
When have you ever been in a car accident?
In my Nissan, a lady hit me in Charlee, and I had to get the other side of my car fixed.
Yeah, I remember that.
This just boosted my score because I knew the answer. Yes, she has been in a car accident in that little red car. So So I had to think strategically. Now we tied up.
Ooh, you might not know this one. If we go to the zoo, what exhibit am I most excited for? If you pay any attention to me, very slightly attention, you'll know the answer.
Elephants.
Wrong. Giraffes.
Okay.
Your favorite zoo animal? I'm gonna take a wild guess and say like a monkey. Really? Am I right?
Yeah. What is my favorite healthy food? Quote unquote on the healthy.
Pineapples?
No. Pineapples. When I eat fruits, but when I eat baked fish, I feel like I'm eating a healthy dish. That's my favorite food. I feel like your healthy go-to food is syrups. I feel like you be feeling real healthy when you be munching.
How many tattoos do I have?
Okay, let me mentally. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe. Oh, maybe. I'm gonna go with 7.
You're wrong. I have like 16 or 17.
Oh my God! What? I want to know if you know how many I got too, but no points.
7.
I got 7.
Yeah, you
Do
have.
I really? Let me see.
You have.
My question is,
We're still tied.
in the future, the very, very, very far future, how many kids do I want?
Oh wow.
I feel like I talk about it all the time. Maybe I don't.
I'm gonna say 3. Is it none?
I want 5.
Damn, you want 5 kids, bro? You want to end it when we both know?
Which is?
When and where did we meet?
When and where did we meet?
We met at drill.
In the Army.
We met at the... Was that the orderly table or was it the motor pool?
Both.
I feel like it was the motor pool. I feel like
It was the motor pool.
Then yeah.
It was the motor pool. Well, actually, when we first met, when I first ever seen Charlotte, she looked mean as hell. I was like,
you know, really? People, I hate that so many people.
I was like, she looked nice, but she looked mean. So I don't know if I want to talk to her. I was like, because she was literally sitting at the table like, I don't want to be here. Tell me something, Missy. And I was no, that's really how she was looking. I was just like, I was new. I was just like, dang, this girl cool.
Yeah, I feel like we went to the motor pool and I just spilled all my business.
That's what happened in the Army. Within the motor pool, and you probably felt comfortable because I didn't know you, and you know me, and I wasn't even from here, so I didn't even know who you were even talking about.
We both went to LSU.
We both went to LSU. That's probably what got us.
And I was like, oh, because I ain't got no friends. But I got like one friend, but she don't be doing that.
Yeah. Boom. So
then literally after that, we went to the movies.
Yes, the same drill weekend that we became friends.
We went on a date. We went to the movies and to beaches.
I don't know.
Take your friends on dates, people. That's how you know if they go back.
We went to the movies. I literally can't remember what we seen, but I know we went to BJ's because I had pasta.
I had them little panini.
Yes, we had pasta. Well, I had pasta and she had some other stuff.
And next time I had pasta and that's when you had.
Yep. And then after that, I found out when I first met her, I found out her favorite flower was sunflowers. So when I went home, I sent her a picture of some sunflowers.
And a little sunflower.
Yup. And then after that, every time I went to drill, I would stay at her house because I stayed an hour away. And we'd always go on a date or somewhere. And we would stay turned up.
Here we are, 2 years later.
So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see.
Including.
Period.
Okay, so y'all can follow me on Instagram at it's gonna be on there.
Right here. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.